Welcome to Nystronaut Education, the largest producer of globes and atlases in the United States. I'm Pam Gothard, your Professional Learning Director. Exploring Where and Why is a hands-on social studies program. Thank you for participating in Exploring Where and Why 101, Session 3, Cross-Curricular Instruction. Exploring Where and Why builds a solid foundation of essential social studies skills and concepts, develops responsible citizens in the community, country, and world, and develops multicultural awareness and sensitivity. Exploring Where and Why also reinforces reading, writing, math, and science. It develops critical thinking skills and integrates frequent assessment and evaluation opportunities. Exploring Where and Why stimulates a variety of intelligences, provides learning opportunities for diverse learning populations, and ensures success for all students. Communities Here and There is a complete social studies program. Meet Miss Marcia. She's going to share with you today about cross-curricular instruction. As part of our session today, we're going to talk about what is cross-curricular instruction, where will I find cross-curricular connections in Exploring Where and Why, and then we're also going to show you some examples of cross-curricular opportunities. Cross-curricular is an instructional approach that integrates content and skills from multiple disciplines, helps learners make better connections, helps learners to see the big picture, and provides them with theme-based learning. Your teacher's guide contains everything you need to execute cross-curricular activities with your students using our hands-on, minds-on approach. Let's take a look. Here are your scope and sequence pages. You will see how Exploring Where and Why is a scaffolded program that builds on the previous year. At the bottom of Roman numeral page 22, you will see how a few of the icons represent the cross-curricular opportunities that are afforded students here in Communities Here and There. When we say cross-curricular, we really mean cross-curricular. You'll be integrating lessons into science, holidays, language arts, math, dramatic plays, art, geography, music, culture, civics, history, economics, critical thinking, and reading. I think you understand we do mean cross-curricular. Remember our discussion in the previous sessions about units, lessons, and activities? Here we are utilizing Unit 4, Lesson 1, Activity A, Show Real Places on a Map.
How would you label a forest on a map? Okay, we could put an F, but what if we had to draw a symbol? Ooh. One tree?
A lot of trees.
More than one tree. You guys are smart. How would you label a playground? If you were
With a
looking...
swing and a slide or something.
Very good. What else could you do?
A little train. And trees.
Hold on. I want to hear all of your ideas, so hang on. Monkey bars.
You can put like trees around it and stuff.
Okay. What else?
Figures.
Stick figures. That's how I draw people. Swing set. Anybody else have any other ideas?
Another way in which you can make a cross-curricular connection using Exploring Where and Why is by using our atlases. The atlases provide short chunks of text coupled with maps, graphs, pictures, illustrations, and timelines. In your teacher's guide, there are 15 literacy lessons specifically designed to be utilized with your atlas. As you can see from the examples, students apply such skills as recognizing text features, understanding key details, comparing images and text, and describing connections. Here's just one example. Compare pictures and text. This is an important literacy skill. Students are being asked to describe how the photo and the text work together. Keep in mind that literacy skills need a companion text. Social studies provides a great nonfiction text. The Exploring Where and Why program also comes with a literacy library, 12 books that are fiction and nonfiction. You'll be learning more about this cross-curricular approach in Session 4. This brings us to the conclusion of this session. Let's look at your assignment. I'd like for you to write a reflection and include the responses below after you use any of the cross-curricular activities, exploring where and why. Think about, what activity did you use? How did your students respond? Did the activity help meet your goals for the discipline that it supported, such as math or science? Was the activity well designed? Will you use this activity again next year? Why or why not? It has been a pleasure sharing with you today about cross-curricular instructions. Please send your reflection to me, P. Gothard, at nystromeducation.com. Once I receive your reflection, I will send you some feedback and a certificate for 2 hours of CEUs. Again, thank you for joining this session of Exploring Where and Why 101.